Greetings, this video is about using the trace facility on the nSpire CAS. So I've placed two graphs here on a graphing page. We'll just go to menu. You'll see this trace option here offers four routines. We'll take the second one, trace all, and you'll notice that what comes up here is a vertical line with 2 points shown, and the coordinates of those 2 points shown corresponding to the two functions f1 and f2. We use the right arrow key, and this moves the vertical line to the right. Left arrow key moves it to the left, and if we wanted a particular point to see what the coordinates were, let's say x equals 10, just type in the 10 straight over the top, hit enter, and it takes you to where x is 10 and provides the coordinates. Notice up here it provides information about what trace all actually does, and you'll notice that in this there is mention about the trace step, and we'll come to that in a moment. Go back to menu, trace, and this time we'll choose graph trace. A cross-haired cursor appears on just one of the graphs, in this case the blue one. If we move the crosshair to the right with the left arrow, to the left with the left arrow key, we see it moves heads left. The right arrow key heads right, and you'll notice that as we move closer to the x-axis, we can pick up the coordinates of the x-intercept there. We're told what it is, so lock that point in by just hitting enter. We'll move that set of coordinates out of the way. First of all, we need to do that, we need to hit escape to get out of that mode. We'll just move them down there for the moment. Go back to that mode, trace, graph trace, and this time we'll just use the left arrow key to move across here, and then we'll use the down arrow key to jump to the other curve, the parabola. Now that was just serendipity that it happened to land upon the x-intercept, so whilst it's there we might as well click enter and lock it in, and we can move up this way and we'll pick up the other x-intercept down here, which you'd expect to be 0, 0. Indeed it is, as shown. Again, hit enter and lock it in. That's pretty much all there is to do there. If we jump to the blue curve and scroll down, scroll left rather, nothing happens. To the left of x equals 0, needless to say, it's undefined, so we don't expect to get any graph to the left of x equals 0. Go back to menu, trace, and this time trace step. Here we can lock in whatever number we like, and it will indicate, we'll take 0.5. That means that the x values will now increment or decrease in size by 0.5. So again, with the blue one, use the right arrow key. You can see the x values at the bottom of the screen there changing by 0.5 as we move right. And that's the impact of setting the trace step. Needless to say, if you wish to be seeing things a little more carefully, you decrease the trace step to maybe 0.1. Well, that's about all there is with trace. Maybe you need to try playing around with this yourself to get a feel for it. Good.